Jai Hind everyone, welcome to my channel Brainy Teach. Once again, I am here with my new video of Geography Chapter 8 India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. But before starting my video, I request you all to watch the video till end, like and subscribe. You can also give the comments there. So let us start the video. The first topic of the chapter is the weather. Weather is the day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes the changes in temperature, rainfall, and sunshine. According to these, there are four major seasons recognized in India. The number one is the cold weather season, which starts from December and ends till February. This season is also known as winter season. The second season is the hot weather season, which starts from March and ends till May. This season is also known as summer season. The third season is the southwest monsoon season. It runs from June to September. This season is also known as rainy season. The fourth and the last season of the year is the season of retreating monsoon, which is also known as autumn, and it starts from October and it remains till November. Now, the cold weather season or the summer season, in this season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in the northern India. The second season, that is the cold weather season or winter, during this season, the sun ray more or less directly falls on this region. The temperature it becomes very high. The hot and dry wind called the loo blows during these days. The third season, that is the southwest monsoon season or the rainy season, it is marked by the onset and the advanced monsoon. The wind blows from Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. These wind carries moistures with them. When these monsoon wind strikes with the mountain barrier, the rainfall occurs. The fourth month season, that is the season of retreating monsoon or autumn. During this season, wind moves back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of the retreating monsoon. During this season, the southern part of the India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receives rainfall. India is based on agriculture, and in agriculture in India is dependent on the rains. Good monsoon means adequate rain and a bountiful crops. There are some factors that affects the climate, and these factors are the location, altitude, distance from the sea and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. In one part of the India, it is very freezing cold, while in the other part, like Jaisalmer or Bikaner in the desert in Rajasthan, they are very hot. In coastal plains like Mumbai and Kolkata, they experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Being on a coast, these places are very humid. In some of the places, like Mysore in Meghalaya, receives the world's highest rainfall, while in that particular year it might not fail rain at all in Jaisalmer in India. Natural vegetation. All the vegetation which grows on their own without the interference or help of a human being, They are called the natural vegetation. It includes all type of grasses, shrubs and trees. Due to the varied climate condition, see, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. The vegetation of India can be divided into five types: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorny bushes, mountain vegetation, and the mangrove forest. Let us now discuss about all these vegetation one by one. The first one is the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest they occurs in the area which receives heavy rainfall. They are so very dense that sunlight doesn't reaches the ground. Many species of trees are found there. These trees they shed their leaves at different times of the year. That is the reason they always appear green, and they are also known as evergreen forest. Mahogany, ebony and the rosewood, these are the important trees which are found in these forests. Tropical rainforest, they are found in Andaman and Nicobar Island, parts of northeastern states, and a narrow strip of western slope of the Western Ghat. Are the second one is the tropical deciduous forest. In the large part of our country, we have this type of forest. These forests are also called as monsoon forest. They are less dense. They shed their leaves at a particular time of the year. Sal, teak, peepal, neem and sesam are the important trees of these forests. They are found in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and in part of the Maharashtra. The third type of the forest are the thorny bushes. These type of vegetation they are found in the dry areas such as the Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, eastern slopes of the Western Ghat. These forests they have the spine-like leaves to reduce the loss of water. Cactus, kher, babool, kikar are the important type of the trees those are found in this vegetation. The next one is the mountain vegetation. A wide range of species is found in the mountains. They are according to the variation in land. These type of the trees they are coniferous. They are conical in shapes. Example of the vegetation, those the trees those are found in this area is the cheer, pine and deodar. The next type of vegetation is the mangrove forest. These forests can survive in saline water. They are found mainly in Sundarban in West Bengal and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Sundari is the well-known species of the tree in mangrove forest after which Sundarban has been named. Now, the question comes, why are the forests necessary? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plant releases oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The roots of the plants binds the soil, that means they control the soil erosion. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel, wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs, lacs, honey, gums, etc. Forests are the natural habitat of the wildlife. But the natural vegetation they has been destroyed in a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing one and make the people aware for the importance of the trees. That is why the government has started a special program named as One Mahotsav to involve more people in making our motherland, our earth, green. The last and the next topic is wildlife. Forest provides home to variety of the wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals, reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, and worms. Those live in these forests. Tiger is the national animal of India. It is found in the various parts of our country. Gir Forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lion, elephants, and one-horned rhinoceros. They are found in the forest of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses, they are found in the Great Indian Desert and Rann of Kutch. In the Himalayan region, we can find wild goats, snow leopards, and bear. Besides these, there are many other animals. Those are found in our country, such as monkey, wolf, jackals, nilgai, and cheetal, etc. India is also rich in the bird life. Peacock is our national bird. The other common birds are parrots, pigeons, geese, bulbul, ducks. There are several centuries those were created to give birds their natural habitat. We have thousands of species of snakes in India. Cobras and krait are the important among them. But due to the cutting of the forest and hunting, several species of wildlife of India they are declining rapidly. Many of the species have already been extinct. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been set up. The government has also started some projects to protect these animals, like Project Tiger to protect tigers and the Project Elephant to protect elephants. Migratory birds. Some birds, such as pelicans, Siberian crane, storks, and flamingo, pin-tailed duck, and curlew migrates to our country in a winter season every year. These they come there in December and they stay till early March. These type of these type of birds are known as migratory birds. That's all in this topic. Hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching the video.